Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change default download location in Chrome. So to do that, it is a informative video. So just be with us. We show you how to do it. On your computer, open Chrome and go to the site where you want to download the file. Save the file. Now for most files, click the download link. You can also right click on the file and choose save as. And for images, right click on the image and choose save image as. And for videos, point to the video, click download. If you can't do this action, the video's owner or hosting site has prevented downloads. And for PDFs, right click on the file and choose save link as. And for pages, at the top right, click more and more tools and save pages. If asked, choose where you want to save the file, then click save. Executable files like .exe, .tll, .bat. If you trust the file, click save. If you are not sure about the contents of the download, click discard. When you begin a download process icon is like this appears on the top right in here. As you can see, it is right here on the top right next to the address bar. Once the download completes, the download tray opens. So once it is done, there will be a tray like this that opens up. To open your file, click open now. You can also click the file to open it. Let me show you. In here, if you hover on any file, there will be an option like this. If you tap on this, the file will be opened. So yeah, this is how you can just change the download location in your Chrome. Hope this video will help you out and see you in the next video.